come wetin dey sup 90% or over 90% of guys in Nigeria, married men, single guys, they do side chick. Over 90% they do side chick. This one not reason now, not even think am. The level be say these young girls of nowadays, their taste dey very high. They wan run things. Some wan use Bone Straight. They wan buy iPhone 12 Pro Max. Some dey look for monthly subscription. They wan dey online on a stead. You no understand? Some they wan use designers, expensive things. You understand? Na the babes, na their taste be that. So, but we also need to look at this thing from both sides. Because these kids, na parents born them. Some of them go call their parents, send me money, make I do one or two things for school. Nobody go answer them. Their father or their mama or whoever is their guardian go tell them, say, man, nothing dey here to, you go hold on. And maybe that's when you want to, time don't reach. You know, so a lot of things where they push these our girls go out. The main thing na the wahala wey our country dey inside. Our country, things dey bad. Look at now, things very expensive. I know they try take side. I'm not taking side with them anyway, but I just dey try tell now wetin dey sup. Some of them dey wey dey hide. They go brutal. Some of them dey hide, they do this side chicken stuff. Now the ones wey come on media, wey yawa gas, now we know. What are the ones wey we no know? Even some of our daughters, they run am. So make you know, because of some personal things, begin dey talk about this girl wey go kill one man for Lagos, wey stab one man twice for Lagos and the man die. So that one na the one wey come media. They get some wey dey happen wey we no know about. So that's the more reason why you see some of us, if we dey talk on social media, we dey write, it be like say we no get work, we just dey write, dey do things. You know why we dey talk now? Because make things better. If you dey outside there, your eye no like wetin you dey see. The way some of these are young girls of 15, 16, 17, 18, don dey run things, dey side chick, dey date people husband. E dey happen. So that's why you see we dey talk. We get the money, we get the resources, we have everything it takes to give these girls good schools, pay their bills, do everything for them. Their parents are not, some of them are even working, they are not earning salaries. Salaries are not coming as at when due. So a lot of things are wrong in our country. So if all these kids are misbehaving, that should be under the guidance, maintenance, and whatever of their parents, and they come as at when due, more things go wrong. Because some of these girls go cut corners, go look for the thing by themselves. And imagine now, a fine girl, they look for 4K, make it a register course for school. Get 4K to register for school. Now wahala be that now. Definitely, if you wait, we not see. You go cut corners, and to cut corners now be the side chicken. But the problems when I come dey get with babes or nowadays be say they no dey even like run their side chick with single guys. Now married men, some dey prefer married men. They say married men are caring, married men they run things well for them, So a lot of things are wrong. So most of today put the whole blame on these our young girls of nowadays. I know say they dey wrong. I know they side them in any way. But the level be say that Buhari wey dey Aso Rock, all our ministers, our politicians, now then turn the country like this. Now then drive all these our young girls to go dey do runs. The one way you know reach the one way you don't know. So make no talk too much. It dey happen. I say more than 98%. Let me not go too far. Let me just say more than 90% of our young girls now, they do side chicken. Now side chicken na be the biggest business for babes now, side chicken, as the country hard like this. So some of them, they see enticing money from any married guy, single guy, or whatever. They go chook head. So no reason am, just leave am. So na so the country be. If we do our homework well, if the leaders of the country deliver well, and these babes still go side chicken, we fit blame dem say na dem. But they get some things wey you no fit avoid. So make we do our homework. Those wey be parents, make dem do their homework well. Parenting matter. I don dey write about parenting matter. E get some girls wey come from good home, no matter the amount wey you give them for side chicken, they no go still go. They still prefer to keep their body. So anyhow you look am, the 100% blame no totally go to the girls. Our country, for me, our country get 70% of the blame. Create jobs. Those that are working, give them their salaries as at when due. If the price of things are increasing in the market, work on the salary, raise the salary. Okay, look at now, salaries are constant, but the price of commodities have gone up. So which kind of country you wan govern like that? So abeg make we leave side chick alone o. Make the country correct your own error, then the side chick go correct their own. Na so e be. My brother, na 50-50 be life o. No reason am. Thank you.